It took me 2 years tumawid ng stage 1 to stage 2. Kailangan ko munang pagdaanan ng lahat ng pains para itama ang tinatawag ng mindset. Kaya nga title ng live na to, hindi lang pala yung chart. Lalagyan din natin ng mix ng mindset. The main problem I have before, nakafocus ako on the profits and then talon ako ng talon ng strategy. I'm not being realistic to myself, to my portfolio. Lahat ng trader, ang realization ko talaga is pagdadaanan nito lahat. One of the main problem of a trader, kaya siya nasusunog. Kasi ino-combine ng trader ang stage 1 at ang stage 4. Focus niya profits, tapos nag-upscale siya na hindi pa siya ready. Dadagdagan na siya ng sobrang laking capital. Pero hindi pa siya ready. And that's the usual problem that I notice for stage 0 na nag-commit na to do trading pero gusto tumawid kagad ng stage 4. Basically, lahat pala tayo pagdadaanan, and yes, pagdadaanan mo talaga yan. Even ako nung nag-start ako, it took me 2 years tumawid ng stage 1 to stage 2. Kailangan ko munang pagdaanan ng lahat ng pains para itama ang tinatawag ng mindset. Kaya nga title ng live na to, hindi lang pala yung chart. Lalagyan din natin ng mix ng mindset. The main problem I have before, nakafocus ako on the profits and then talon ako ng talon ng strategy. I'm not being realistic to myself, to my portfolio, to my capital. I'm not being realistic to the risk-reward, to the drawdown. Hindi ako naging realistic. Ang ending, ano nga bang best strategy na dapat gagamitin? So, exploration, explore lang ako ng explore, and then at the end of the year, pwede kumita ako ng this month, pero the next month, hindi pala ako kumita. Yun ang naging problem ko during that time. And after the 2 years, ito yung realization ko. Ano dito sa lahat ng natutunan ko? Yung pinaka-foundational. Pag wala kang sige doon sa foundational mindset of a trader, you're gonna end up circulating on stage 1. Ikot ka lang ng ikot sa stage 1. You know what stage 1 looks like? Ayan ang stage 1. Strategy hopping. Strategy prostitute. Ang tawag ko dyan. Confuse. And then end up equals to demotivation. Ayoko, lalo na pag natalo. I realize is this is applicable also for business. Okay? Na business siya. If you are entrepreneur in a business, ang ending mo, naghahanap ka ng best business industry. Triggered always yung curiosity mo to different kinds of strategies that you encounter on YouTube. But ang kulang mo pala, nababalik ko dyan, on this journey is being foundational. What is your foundation? You know what that is? Yung pagiging foundation. How master you are in basics. Gaano ka na-master mo ang basics mo? Parang, ano ba? Nasa indicator ka na ba kagad? Or nasa price action ka pa talaga? If you're still on the indicator strategy, tapos unahanap ka pa ng mga setup, hindi mo pa naaayos yung pagiging foundation, how you look at the candles, how you look at the speed of the trend, how you look at the market structure, yung mga words na to, at hindi pa to buo sa'yo yung foundation na yun. Ikot-ikot ko pa din dun sa number stage 1 na focus on the profits or jumping to another strategy. There is a study na it's okay to explore 30%, but kung saan ka effective 70%, you should stay. You should stay already there. And then, para tumawid ka, you have to have that foundational character na master mo na ang basics. Master mo na even to the smallest detail. Saan ang 1 pip ni gold? Saan ang 1 pip ni silver? Kung hindi mo kasi alam to, ibig sabihin you're still missing a foundation. Ako personally may mga kilala pang akong coach na tuturo, gumagamit ng lot size, pero hindi niya alam saan ang 1 pip ni gold. Huling-huli siya sa isang webinar. So how do you pick a lot size if you don't know where is the 1 pip? You get what I mean? How do you get the foundational of a certain structure ng isang proper mindset? Tatawid ka ng stage 2. Kung hindi mo alam ang average pip move ng isang market, ng isang asset. Ang average move by points ng isang, example, silver, example, gold, example, forex, example, USD pair, example, Japanese pair. So, understanding that foundation creates you that focus. Having the proper foundation gives you the right direction.